Build to order is an interesting model for dealers, for OEMs, and I think for consumers as well. We've already seen a shift to fewer cars, on the lot, and you go in and maybe you get to test drive that model, but then you spec out the trim and the features and any upgrades that you would like. I think that we're going to see that more and more because it's a much more efficient way to manufacture and produce. It's also a more efficient model for the dealers who don't have to carry the finances for a huge lot full of vehicles. In North America, moving to an agency model really benefits all of the parties, the OEMs, the dealers, and the buyers. For the OEMs, you get a much more direct relationship with the end buyer, and you get much greater control over the experience, the purchase, the online catalog, and you can keep that refreshed and updated with the best media and the best descriptions and features and the best pricing models, right? So that's in the OEM's control. For the dealers, many of the digital headaches could potentially go away. They can link to that fantastic media-rich catalog so that their shoppers can make that confident purchase and then take delivery at their location. Now they're going to want to lock that customer in for additional services, for ongoing support. And that's going to be an important relationship for them to establish. So there's benefits for the dealer as well. For the end user, choice, transparency, immediacy. Let's get that purchase going and happen as easy as something might happen in any online commerce experience. So I think it's going to be a more fluid and a more enjoyable experience for the end consumer.